To see Display Suite in action, we have to enable a Display Suite layout for a content type. So let's go to Structure, Content Types, Blog Entry, and Manage Display. Let's scroll down, and here we have some new options, Layout for Blog Entry and Default. So what we're going to do is select one column layout, and I'll explain the other ones in just a moment. I'll click Save, and when we do, we get some additional features here. The first is that we can set a region for each one of our fields. In this layout, there's only one region, which is content. You can see you can either set it for content or disabled. But if we chose a different layout down here, let's say a 2-column layout, and we click Save, and let's set all of our fields from our single column to go into the left column here, and we'll click Save. So now we have 2 regions to play with, the left and right. So this is a nice feature of Display Suite. It gives us power to break out our content into several regions, which is something that usually requires a front-end developer. Okay, we're going to go back to the single column. The other feature that you can see right away here is that there are some additional fields that we didn't have before. So things like author and post date and submitted by. If we load up our blog entry now, we would also see some changes. Let's refresh it. So our submitted by is no longer showing up here because it's kind of been converted to a field through Display Suite. We can set it to display again by setting the submitted field here to the content region. Let's click Save and take a look and refresh the blog entry. And now, even though we didn't set it, it's using our custom date format. So if all you needed was to change the date format and you were okay with the rest of it, this would be all we'd have to do.